Hello guys, what's up? Today I'll be sharing simple and delicious mutton curry. I usually make this dish on Sahur in Ramadan and serve this with roti or rice. But personally I would suggest to have this mutton curry with Turkish naan. So don't skip this video, watch till it ends. Give a big thumbs up below if you like this recipe. So let's start making it. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Goes in 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Now add 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Fry this till it becomes golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon crushed ginger, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic. Fry this for few seconds. And to this I am adding 500 grams mutton. Fry this till it changes the color. Goes in 2 large sliced tomatoes. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Now close the lid and cook for 5 minutes till tomatoes become soft and mushy. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give this a very good mix. Adding 1 cup water. Mix well. Close the lid and cook for 45 to 50 minutes in a slow flame. Now adding 1 teaspoon garam masala. Give a mix. Add chopped coriander leaves, 1 slitted green chilies. Mix nicely. Close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes in a slow flame. Finally, I am going to add roasted dry fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, and 1 inch ginger. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes in a slow flame. Then switch off the flame. Transfer this in a serving bowl. Garnish with some ginger. And serve this mutton curry along with Turkish naan, pulkas, rumali roti or rice. If you like this mutton curry, then try making at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Also share your recipe images on my Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next recipe video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.